Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Estate Talk with 𝐿𝐴𝐧. If you're considering downsizing your home, you're not alone. More and more people are choosing to live smaller, and today we're going to explore the pros and cons of downsizing right here in the Triangle. So whether you're thinking about moving to a smaller space in Raleigh, Durham, Cary, or other areas of the Triangle, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel, Real Estate Talk with 𝐿𝐴𝐧, so you never miss an episode. If you find this content helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone considering a move to the Triangle. And don't forget about our sold zero commission program. It can save you thousands of dollars when selling your home, putting more money back in your pocket at closing. All right, let's jump right into it. It's not just retirees choosing to downsize. With today's elevated housing cost, many people are looking to smaller properties for relief. In fact, 44% of U.S. adults who would be willing to make a sacrifice to find more affordable housing say they would consider downsizing their living space, according to Bankrate's 2024 Home Affordability Report. But living smaller comes with its challenges, but it can bring a lot of benefits depending on your lifestyle and goals. Let's start first with the pros of living smaller in the Triangle. One of the biggest pros of downsizing is financial savings. A smaller home often means a smaller mortgage, lower property taxes, and reduced utility bills. Especially in areas like Raleigh, Durham, and the Triangle, where home values are on the rise, downsizing could allow you to cash in on your current home's equity while lowering your living expenses. Along with saving money, you'll also save on maintenance and upkeep. A smaller home means less space to clean, fewer repairs, and lower landscaping costs. So, if you're looking to spend less time on home maintenance and more time enjoying life, downsizing can be a great option. Another advantage is simplifying your life. When you downsize, you're naturally decluttering and focusing on the essentials. Many people find that having less stuff and living in a more efficient space creates a sense of calm and simplicity. Plus, many smaller homes are located in walkable, amenity-rich neighborhoods. Think about the lifestyle. Living in a smaller home in Cary, for example, could mean being closer to parks, shopping, or community centers, all while reducing your home's footprint. Now let's talk about some of the potential downsides to downsizing. First, the obvious, less space. Downsizing means you'll have to adjust to a smaller living environment. If you're used to having extra bedrooms, large living areas, or a spacious yard, this transition could be challenging. It's important to make sure that downsizing still leaves you with enough space to live comfortably. One of the biggest concerns for people downsizing is storage. Less storage means you'll have to get creative. This can be a con if you have a lot of belongings you're not ready to part with, or if you have hobbies or lifestyle needs that require more space. For those who work from home, downsizing your home office might be a challenge as well. You'll need to ensure your new, smaller home has space for your work needs, or be willing to adapt to a shared space or co-working setup. Ultimately, downsizing isn't for everyone. But if you're looking for financial savings, a simpler lifestyle, and less upkeep, downsizing in the Triangle could be a great fit for you. On the other hand, if you need more space for your lifestyle, it may be something to think carefully about before making the move. Thinking about downsizing or have questions about whether it's right for you? I'm here to help you navigate that decision. Give me a call or shoot me a message anytime. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real estate tips and updates. Thanks for tuning in to Real Estate Talk with 𝐿𝐴𝐧. I'm 𝐿𝐴𝐧 signing off. Until next time, I'll see you in the next episode of Real Estate Talk with 𝐿𝐴𝐧. Keep dreaming big and living well in the Triangle.